Hey everyone, thanks for taking the time to listen in to our Marketing Cloud webinar. I'm Monica Detter, Canpango's Senior Marketing Cloud Consultant. I have 3 years of Marketing Cloud experience on top of 4 years of marketing automation experience, including platforms such as Oracle's Responses and MailChimp.
And as many of you already know, I'm Scott Bickley, Canpango's channel manager and your go-to resource for CRM and business transformation insights. I have a huge passion for bringing digital solutions to businesses that need them most. Today, we're thrilled to talk about Canpango's top 5 tips on how to discuss Marketing Cloud matters with your clients. Our goal is to give you the conversation starters you need in order to get a pulse for your clients' current marketing automation efforts. The point being, we're here to support you in identifying opportunities where Marketing Cloud configuration will allow your client's customer experience to grow and ultimately rake in more money. But first, let's start with a quick refresher for those of you who may still be a little unfamiliar with who Canpango are. Canpango is a global Salesforce implementation partner and a business transformation company based out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We have offices in Chicago, in New York, and London, as well as a purpose-built facility out of South Africa, where we run a lot of our European business. We are a silver consulting partner with Salesforce, but more importantly than that, we are one of 38 managed partners that Salesforce have in North America, which is to say that we have a direct relationship with Salesforce. There's actually people employed at Salesforce who are responsible for our relationships and our implementations. That means that we are really at the forefront in terms of Salesforce's new products, their new services. We have certifications across all of their products, and that allows us really to offer you something different when it comes to talking to your customers around Salesforce implementation. There's not many projects that are out there that we haven't seen or done before. A team of experts have completed hundreds of CRM implementations, integrations, data migration, custom development projects for organizations around the world. In our first year as an Intelisys supplier partner, and now we're actually part of the fabric of the organization as ScanSource acquired us towards the end of last year. We've helped numerous Intelisys sales partners expand their businesses to include our services, and we're thrilled to do the same for you. So let's get started. Monica, tell us about Marketing Cloud.
Sure. So let's start by just talking about marketing automation in general. So this is a trend that marketers have been kind of becoming more and more on board with in the past few years. And you'll see a focus emerging on designing campaigns that are seamless across all different kinds of channels and media. We're kind of out with the old in terms of building campaigns kind of from, pen and paper and data entry, and we're moving toward a world where marketers can concentrate on optimizing campaigns and designing winning strategies. And marketing automation is what allows them to do that. Marketing automation also allows you to automate or turn on independently campaigns that you're already working on. Allows you to alleviate repetitive tasks such as building emails, writing those social media posts, connecting channels across your website and paid media. Marketing automation really shouldn't be a term that you're intimidated by. It's just plain and simply taking what you're already doing in terms of marketing and setting it up to run independently. So let's even take that definition one step further. Marketing automation is just taking everything that you're already doing from a marketing perspective and automating it or setting it up to run automatically. It helps free up time, energy, and resources from your marketing team. They might have previously been doing things like manually setting up and sending the same email campaign to customers every day, or manually entering the results of their campaign into your analytics platform. But marketing automation really allows you to not only automate those things, but pull actionable insights faster that you might not have had access to prior, and adjust your campaigns in such a way where you can get a better result and provide a better customer experience, which ultimately just gives you, stronger leads and better customers. If you don't believe me, that's okay. We have some data to back it up. First of all, customers just really appreciate it when they're seeing a seamless experience across all of the channels where they're interacting with you. Marketing automation is definitely something that can help with that. Customers also appreciate a cutting-edge digital experience, and it'll help you keep and win their business. In fact, we found that 84% of customers prefer to be treated like a person, not a number. And that's really at the core of what marketing automation is about. Marketing automation helps you deliver an individualized, personalized experience for more of your customers, easier, and saving time for your marketing team.
Thanks, Monica. Understanding how marketing automation relates to CRM is really simple. Marketing automation streamlines marketing processes, which eliminates repetitive manual marketing tasks and reduces departmental costs. CRM, on the other hand, streamlines the sales cycle, which can involve scalable efficiencies like evaluating closed deals and opportunity counts, boosting staff satisfaction, licensing and the ability to cross-sell, the reduction of customer attrition, and increasing revenue and ultimately profitability, and advancing data storage. The primary and secondary benefits that both entities bring to the table respectively are an improved customer experience and greater team collaboration.
Salesforce Marketing Cloud started off as ExactTarget, but was acquired by Salesforce in 2013. Since then, Salesforce Marketing Cloud has been allowing marketing teams to set up complex marketing campaigns that are multi-touch and multi-channel. Knowing your audience and really serving that audience with a personalized experience is critical not only to keeping their attention, but also to getting them to buy and buy more. Not only that, but right now our digital environment might be a little overwhelming for your customers with all of the different kinds of offers that might be coming their way. But marketing automation allows you to streamline all of your efforts so that you're delivering one personalized experience to each and every customer. This is true across all different industries. So in order to ensure that your client's brand is kept top of mind, and we are talking front and center here in your customers' brains, we need to really start taking strides towards creating a unique customer experience. And that'll be your ultimate key to maximizing customer loyalty and really winning their business.
So at the end of the day, Monica, a marketing strategy that embraces tailored and highly personalized communication planning and plays an influential role in yielding a more evaluated customer experience is key here. So let's kick off the first of our 5-tip series to help your clients reach customer experience excellence through Marketing Cloud. Okay, tip 1. Our first tip is to ask your customer about their marketing goals prior to the discovery phase of a transformation project. For those of you who are new to cloud transformation projects, it's important to consider what questions to ask and when. The very first phase of any digital transformation project, Marketing Cloud projects included, is the kickoff phase. This is a pre-sales stage where initial customer-facing discussions are held. This stage is instrumental for detailed statement of work creation and critical for laying the groundwork for a second phase, the discovery phase. If you're beginning to have marketing-related conversations, feel free to call or email me so we can work through some of the questions that you'll see on the screen now. Ultimately, we're here to support you through this journey. We want to be able to give you the tools to be able to have these conversations and to work well with your customers in terms of having this kind of discovery conversation. Monica, what's tip number 2?
Thanks, Scott. Tip number 2 from us to you is to discuss Marketing Cloud's game-changing features. There are honestly a lot of marketing automation platforms out there, but it's important to know what is at the core of Marketing Cloud that differentiates it from its competitors. That main feature is going to be something called Journey Builder. So Journey Builder is the tool inside of the platform that really allows you to actually build the customer journey right there in front of your face with all of the different kind of touch points that you might want to use. You can use Journey Builder to resolve, for example, an abandoned cart scenario. So let's say someone is browsing on a website, adds a product to their cart, and then leaves without making that purchase. Journey Builder can help you re-engage those people and not only bring them back to your website, but you can learn more about them along the way and even deliver them messages in their channel of choice. So you could build a journey where a customer leaves your website, they enter this journey, you can send them email follow-ups, you could send them a social media post, you could drop them a direct mail piece with an integrated partner. You could send them to a onboarding partner such as Newstar. All of those allow you to craft a unique customer experience for each and every purchaser. Along with Journey Builder, there's a beautiful drag and drop email builder called Content Builder, and that lives in Email Studio. So Email Studio in Marketing Cloud is going to be where you manage everything related to your email campaigns, and a big part of that is building the campaigns. Content Builder in Email Studio will allow you to drag and drop all different kinds of content blocks and create not only a beautiful experience for your customers using built-in templates, but create a personalized and dynamic experience all through either the drag and drop features, or if your team is a little bit more technical, you do also have the option to import HTML from scratch, or even use Salesforce's proprietary scripting language, AmpScript, to drive even more advanced and deeply personalized communications. Finally, there's Automation Studio. Automation Studio is a powerful data manipulation tool that lives inside Marketing Cloud. You can use it to segment your data, manipulate your data in any kind of way you might want. You can do data imports, exports, you can bring in data from external systems using Automation Studio. So it's ideal for customers who maybe aren't ready to take the plunge with Salesforce as their CRM, but still want to leverage all of Marketing Cloud's capabilities. All of those use cases can be accomplished with Automation Studio. It can also be used to collect data on your customers and create a list based off of that data. For example, you can pull information on who has opened your email in the last 30 days, create a list using Automation Studio, and then send to those people.
Thanks, Monica. That brings us to our third tip. Tip 3 is to ensure that you're seeding Marketing Cloud success stories into your conversations wherever it's warranted. Sharing customer success story details, even when brief, can go a really long way. 85% of customers say they read up to 10 reviews before feeling they can trust a business. This is obviously true for your customers too. So in conversation with them, if you hear comments or questions that sound similar to the ROI isn't guaranteed, or maybe our business model is really unique, which means that we need a really unique solution, then bring Canpango into the conversation. And together, we'll talk through our bank of industry relevant customer success stories to help seal the deal.
Thanks, Scott. Tip number 4 is to illustrate the value of Marketing Cloud through different scenarios or customer success stories. So we have a couple of real life examples here to share with you. So the first is going to be a customer that we were working with in the medical industry. And they came to us, they had a previously implemented instance of Marketing Cloud that just wasn't up to their standards of what they were looking to accomplish. For this customer, we were able to not only reconfigure their instance and set things up the way that they wanted, but we were also able to help them improve their deliverability and their customer experience by creating a welcome stream for them. A welcome stream campaign is critical to deliverability for most companies that are going to be sending email. It's a way to constantly have a stream of emails going out to your most recent customers. So a welcome stream is essentially a way to welcome your new customers to your company, introduce yourselves, and even give them a little bit of a discount or an offer. By helping them set up a welcome stream, they were able to improve their deliverability and replace their previously batch and blast campaigns or just manual sends with email journeys that provided dynamic experiences to their customers. This medical customer that we were working with had previously just been sending one email out to all of their customers, and we helped them create multiple journeys that provided a differentiated experience for all of their customers, depending on what product they had previously purchased. So overall, this customer was left not only with a functional Marketing Cloud instance, but they also have now a welcome stream that will keep their email file warm always. And they have multiple personalized dynamic journeys that will help keep their customers engaged through the entire purchase lifecycle. The second use case we have is from a company in the area of insurance. So one challenge they were facing is they were unable to follow up with their customers just because of the way that their communications were set up in an old platform. So all of their communications were set up to be reactionary, which means when someone takes an action with you, like updating an address or changing a password, sending out an email in reaction to that. What they learned through research is that their customers actually desired more frequent interaction from them, and that meant proactive interaction. So not only did they change these processes to further engage their customers, they were able to create journeys that actually developed into a conversation based off an action that one of their customers took. For example, now when a customer changes their address, they won't just get one confirmation email. They'll get several confirmation emails that asks them, how are things going? Is now a good time to reevaluate your insurance needs? Important questions that your customers may be thinking or wanting you to answer, but not reaching out to you to get those answers.
All right, Monica, thanks for that. So we're at our last tip, tip number 5. So tip number 5 really is to demonstrate why a certified implementation and consulting partner is necessary for successful results. The first benefit of working with a certified implementation partner is change management. We're the pros at priming organizations to consider the impact of new workflows right from the get-go in order to increase future solution adoption. The second benefit is our technical expertise. Our software engineers are naturally in tune with every new feature update that Marketing Cloud, Salesforce, and other industry platforms release, which makes trusting our proposed solution a little bit easier. The third benefit, and surely not the final benefit, is a readiness to learn from you. You know your business best, and we know the technology better. Together, we'll uncover your customers' business needs, identify their short and long-term goals, and translate those strategic components into Marketing Cloud. The last thing we'd like to cover before bringing things to a complete stop is that you're not alone. Understanding the Marketing Cloud universe rarely happens overnight, but if you open the door using the tips that we discussed today, we promise that we'll help you close the deal, wow your customers, and make you money. Thanks again for joining us on our Marketing Cloud webinar today. We look forward to hearing from you very soon and working with you on some exciting opportunities.